Hello gentlemen, this is lesson 8 of video 1 of 3, solving absolute value equations. So when solving absolute value equations, it's important to understand that there are two solutions to every single one of these equations. As we progress through, there will be some special cases where only one solution works or no solution, but when first solving, it is important to understand that you should get two. And part A is a great example as to why you get two solutions. So we have the absolute value of x is equal to 4. Well, the absolute value of any number is its positive version. So in this case, you would say that x is equal to 4, or x could be equal to negative 4. So by checking this, the absolute value of 4 is 4, and then the absolute value of negative 4 is 4. So this whole concept of negative numbers turning positive when you absolute value them is why there are always going to be two solutions. So please make sure that when you show your work that you do indicate the two solutions. So part B has 4 times the absolute value of x plus 2 is equal to 24. The first thing that you want to do is to isolate the actual absolute itself. So this needs to get isolated. To do that, we have 4 times the absolute value, so we're going to divide both sides by 4, and you'll get the absolute value of x plus 2 is equal to 24 divided by 4, which is 6. The next step is to write the two equations. So you'll get x plus 2 is equal to 6, and then x plus 2 is equal to negative 6. The reason why, again, we have that negative is because the absolute value of negative 6 is positive 6. Once you've written the two equations, you need to make sure that you solve for the actual variable, which is x in this case. So we're going to subtract 2 from both sides and get one solution of 4, and then subtract 2 from the second one, and you're going to get a second solution of negative 8. You can check both of those to make sure they work. They do both work, so we're good. But again, we do have two solutions, both 4 and negative 8. Once you're done, box them off, making sure to indicate what your two solutions are, and that would be the end of the example. So for the U-tries, the two that you're going to solve are A, the absolute value of x minus 3 is equal to 4, and then B, 8 is equal to the absolute value of x minus 2.5, and that's all inside. Okay, so that's the end of this video. Please make sure that you take all of your notes, left side for the notes, and then these U-tries on the right, and that's it.